For today's craft, I wanted to show you how to make this sweet treat. You need apples, black and white candy melts, popsicle sticks, and coconut oil. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut the apples lengthwise into thick slices. Remove any visible seeds. The end slices will be rounded, and you want to cut the thin slice off so that they lay flat. Make a small hole in the bottom of each slice with a knife and insert a wooden popsicle stick halfway into the apple. Combine the black candy and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a medium microwave-safe bowl and microwave until melted and smooth. Add the white chocolate and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to another medium microwave-safe bowl and microwave until melted and smooth. Dip the apple slices in the candy and transfer them to wax paper on a flat pan. Pipe 3 to 4 dark chocolate concentric circles on the white chocolate dipped apples and vice versa. Drag a toothpick through the circles, starting at the center and working your way out to create a spiderweb design. Place the apple slices in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.